going to the graphics, and it is testing the viewport, the viewing window, and looking at the height, the width. Go to the graphics device, check the viewing window, and see what the width is. Now, what this is going to do is, regardless of the size of the screen, it's always going to give me an accurate height and an accurate width. Instead of saying 800, I would just say width.
Oh, width, yeah.
And instead of saying 600 or 480 or whatever it is, I would just say, now you can say it, Tanner, height. Right? Yes?
Okay, so for the controller, didn't you just put like two analog sticks back and forth?
Say it again.
For the control, the analog sticks, so there's just two.
What about them?
Isn't that what you did?
No, for those I choose the thumbstick and they just go up and down. So, but this is actually checking the graphics device, checking that viewing window, and seeing what is the actual height and width of that window. So that's going to give me an accurate number rather than us sitting here guessing. Don't have to use it right now. I just wanted to explain why I did what I did. All right, so we know it's 480 now, so let's go back to what we were doing. I'm going to comment these out. We don't need them. So it is 480 minus our 30 is what?
Oh, that's
All right, let's test it now. Ooh, that actually worked, but you didn't get to see it. All right, but it did work.
Oh, yeah.
Did work.
We should have a competition.
What's not?
The last like 10 years.
You put it in your mouth and see what happens, huh?
What?
Oh my gosh, when I pause it, I can't.
I can't pause a multiplayer game, Mom.
Just goes the HDMI plugs in real quick. Then what's the TV like?
Hey, will your paddles go off the screen? No, they just go.
Okay, so it just bounced.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see if I can get it.
Ah!
Go up
there
more.
you go.
Go up more.
Hey.
Now, what you gotta remember is it intersected the back of the paddle, which is still considered the paddle, right? An intersection of the paddle. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. We're not ready for that yet.
Hey, do your paddles go off the screen?
Yes, absolutely.
Shut up, Logan.
Okay, so that is our floor and our ceiling, or top and our bottom there. All right. So we've checked that Y value. What else do we need to see?
The whole thing.
Oh,
Scoreboard.
Scoreboard.
When did beat that last one?
Okay, so we have one of two ways we can go about this. We can say when it hits the back wall, we can reset it back to its original position, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's say that if the ball X is less than or equal to 0, or the ball X is greater than or equal to, it's not 450, what is it? We're talking about the X. What would be the max on the X value for this ball?
500.
800 is width, which you're right, 800 would be the width, but we're not using 800, what are we going to use? 770, absolutely. We got to account for the width of the ball, so 770. So what are we going to do if that happens? We are going to reset the ball X and ball Y. So we're going to say ball X. What was our original X and Y? 100, 300. Ball X equals 100. Ball Y equals 300. Is that right? Put it in the middle. Okay, it's starting to look more like a game, because now we hit our sides and it's gonna come back out to the middle, right?
What's with the position of the ball?
What? Watch out for that guy named Josh on the side.
Those BPA pins I gave you, the big bag of them,
Yeah,
can I get them?
yeah,
Some of my kids like, I want one.
yeah, you know why they want one. I started a competition in here. So they're all
Oh.
they're trying to get them from your students. That's why they're.
Oh, okay, I didn't know, okay.
It's on my eight ball.
those pins?
I'll give them to him after.
You got pins, bro?
We're just on a random.
That's some ends, bro.
I don't know, but Friday I'm probably gonna give you your bonus points. They're trying to see how many they can collect.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're stealing them from each other.
No, it's borrowed.
See, you guys are smart. You guys went to the graphics kids. I'll give you some credit. All right, so you'll see it is resetting. It is resetting. Okay, so the ball is resetting once it hits that max or the min, whatever it is. So now we actually have to start looking at how would we add to a score. Does anybody have any ideas?